All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to our Power Hour. We're doing one this morning, and I wanted to do a quick, I'm not recording the whole thing, just like the first 10, 15 minutes so you guys can understand how we're going to be changing Power Hours and what makes the most sense. Sorry, the lighting's not great. What makes the most sense for you to get the most bang for your buck out of Facebook? If you saw the Jewel call last week, we were talking about the Facebook algorithm and how things have changed a ton. So the Power Hours need to change also. So go ahead, pass this on to any leaders or anyone who are leading Power Hours, and we can make some changes to really maximize our Facebook time. The first thing that needs to happen, and it's going to happen today with Linda and with me this morning, is we're going to have 10 to 15 minutes every Power Hour of interacting with our main prospects. That's the key. It shouldn't just be random. You can't be just scrolling on Facebook. That hurts you in the long run. Facebook tracks scrolling. They also track if you're interacting with the right people. So you should have a list of prospects. You should always have a list of prospects. I actually have a picture in my office of a funnel, and I have people's names in my funnel. I have them halfway down the funnel. I have them out of the funnel, depending on where they are, and I just erase them and change them all the time. So my goal in the next 15 minutes, and Linda and I are going to do this together, is to interact with our main prospects. That can be anything. That can be Messenger, but they highly recommend doing the threads inside Facebook for the most interaction and the highest score for your Facebook algorithm. I've been talking about algorithms in math class this week, and it truly is a formula that works all the time. We just have to do the right things to make sure that it is working in our favor. So for 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to do interaction with our main prospects. Then Linda and I are going to make a post. Remember, you want to be posting in the morning first thing, when people are still around checking Facebook, lunchtime when people are checking Facebook, and in the evenings when people are checking Facebook. Those are the prime times. Obviously, though, Linda and I have this time for our Power Hour, so we're going to make a post today, regardless if it's Plexus or not. Remember, it should only be 1 or 2 Plexus posts for every 10 posts you make, and you should only be posting 2 to 3 times a day. I still like to post a ton of stuff. I'm posting it up in the top when it talks about your live story. That's where I have all my pictures from the zoo lights. That's where I have all my pictures from things that my family is doing. Then I'll just post one of the pictures in there on my actual page to get that interaction. Because if I post 15 things about the same thing, the interaction is going to be low because they've already seen what's going on. So use those live stories in Instagram and in Facebook to really kind of let people see what's going on and really see what's happening with your life and get engaged. But only post 2 to 3 times a day on Facebook total, on Instagram total. But you have to have that engagement first. So that's really the only change we're making. We're going to do 15 minutes of engagement with high prospects. Then we're going to actually make a post on Facebook. So we have that and people are going to be seeing it. Then we're going to be doing the same things. We're doing green lights. Those are the active people on your Facebook page for like 10, 15 minutes, just getting interaction with them. And green lights don't just mean messaging. Now we know that being involved and having conversations on the actual thread is a big thumbs up for Facebook right now. So make sure you go in, connect with them, start asking questions, have a conversation in the thread, and that actually is more beneficial than Messenger. Messenger's still great, but do that first. Then we'll do some friending, just like 5 minutes of friending, birthdays, that kind of stuff. Fabulous, great. That stuff needs to still happen. All right? So that's what I wanted to record today to make sure everyone knows. I know I said we're going to change them up, but some people may not know what that means. So I would say first 10 or 15 minutes of every single Power Hour means connecting with your prospects on their posts, connecting with them so they see what you're about to post next and it comes up in their feed. So Linda, I'm going to turn these people off and we're going to go ahead and get busy. If you have any questions, let me know. Please pass this on to your leaders or anyone that is hosting Power Hours. You don't have to be a certain level to host a Power Hour. They are simple. They're easy. We can help you. We just know that the more we have and the more people are involved in them, they are working. People who are consistently on Power Hours are growing. They are in the Jules Favorite Things contest. They are adding new customers. They have high PV. Linda has crazy high PV. And they're adding new people to their teams. These work, period. So get yourself on them. I'm committed to doing one every single day this week, especially before Christmas starts. And then after Christmas, start doing it too. I already have my Tiny Torch post that I talked about from the Jewel page ready to go for Christmas morning, so I don't have to take that time away from my family. It releases me, but I'm still present on Facebook. So have a great Tuesday, guys. Pass this along, and we will talk to you soon.